Hello, little friends. Today I'm going to tell you a very special story about an extraordinary kitten named Mimi. She was a snow-white kitten with bright blue eyes and a heart full of courage. Mimi lived in a cozy house with her human family, but she always dreamed of having great adventures. Every day, she looked out the window at the world outside, imagining the wonders she could discover. One beautiful spring morning, Mimi decided it was time to explore the garden. Mimi then goes to the window, and suddenly she comes across a scared baby bird in the window. Mimi realized that the little bird didn't know how to fly yet and was stuck there. "Don't worry, Tweety. I'll help you get back home," Mimi said with a determined smile. So our brave little cat, even though she was a little afraid of heights, decided to help her new little friend. So the little cat, Mimi, put the bird on her back and jumped out the window, and they walked across the green lawn. The colorful butterflies danced in the air, and the flowers swayed gently in the breeze. Along the way, they made new friends, the hard-working ant, who offered tips on the best routes, and the smart snail, who knew every corner of the garden. Together, they began an incredible journey through the garden. The snail brought fresh leaves. The little ant shared cookie crumbs, and the birds sang the most beautiful melodies. Mimi used her climbing skills to climb bushes and check every tree in the garden. After much searching, Mimi spotted a nest high up in an apple tree. "Look, Tweety, isn't that your nest?" she asked, pointing with her little paw. The little bird's eyes lit up with joy as he recognized his home. His new friends cheered him on from below, offering strength and encouragement. It was like a little rescue team. But there was a challenge. The tree was very tall. Mimi took a deep breath, gathered all her courage, and began to climb, carefully, branch by branch. When they finally arrived at the nest, the mother bird was there, super worried about her baby bird, and our kitten quickly calmed the mother bird. "Don't worry, your little bird is fine." She was so happy and grateful that she invited Mimi for a cup of chamomile tea with honey biscuits. From that day on, Mimi discovered that she didn't need to go far to live great adventures. She became known as the keeper of the garden, always ready to help anyone in need. Every afternoon, Mimi and her friends gathered under the apple tree to tell stories and share delicious snacks. Our kitten learned that true courage is not in not being afraid, but in facing your fears to help others. And so, every day was special for Mimi. At night, when she returned home, Mimi would curl up in her soft bed, happy to have such a special place to call home and such wonderful friends to share her adventures with. And you, little friend, how about being brave like Mimi? Sometimes we just need to take a small step to start a big adventure. The world is full of special friends waiting to be found and incredible stories to be experienced. She also discovered that the best adventures are those we share with friends. If you liked the story of our little friend Mimi, don't forget to like it, subscribe to the channel, and share it with your friends. This way, more people can learn about the adventures of this brave and special kitten. Until the next story, bye-bye-yee!